Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing to you the turmeric soap. This is a simple soap with many skin benefits. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First of all, I am going to be needing some soap base. I've got here my black soap base. So I'll put it into a microwave and melt it up. So after melting, this is what we have here. I'll come in with about a tablespoonful of olive oil. Then I'll drop in about a tablespoonful of turmeric powder. Finally, I'll come in with about 2 tablespoons of goat's milk. With the help of a spoon, I'll mix everything up. I'll get my silicone molds and transfer the soap into it. I'll let this set for about 24 hours. So it's been after about 24 hours and our soap is ready. I'll just get them out of the mold. So basically, this soap can be used as an everyday soap. It can be used both for the body and the face. It's very gentle and it does not irritate your skin. It will not leave your skin dry. Turmeric powder is very good when it comes to a clearer, even skin tone complexion. It's very great in getting rid of blemishes. It helps make your skin more elastic. The olive oil is going to prevent your skin from drying out. And the goat's milk is going to give you that smooth, even toned skin. This soap is very good for those with very dry skin. So I hope this did help you and I hope you are going to give it a try. This can be used as an everyday soap. If you do give it a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. If you've subscribed, don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.